rockstar lifestyle when I'm gon' make it. I done came up and all these niggas, yeah, they haters. She told me that she loved me, yo, we knew that she was faking. MG on the BG, oh, wait till I'm the greater.
What is up, Go Fam? You already know I'm out here. It is Try Tuesday. As you can see, I'm on a 70. I got a bag. I got tape all on my handlebars and all that because I stripped all my bolts trying to put these handlebars on. And we put bolts in there, then tighten. So I said flip. I'm late as split, but I'm about to just go there anyway. Got everybody's shirts, their one-way shirts and all that. I'll probably try to get some content. Hopefully, I ain't trying to have this thing fall off or not. I'll probably just follow the pack a little bit, you know, cruise. I can't really wheelie this right now because I can wheelie it, but I don't want to go too crazy and handlebars fall off then, you know. That would be crazy if the handlebars fell off. So I'm about to go pull out the things. Let's see if it's lit today. It looks like it's about to rain. Hopefully it don't rain. This day is just, bro, I've been up since like 8 in the morning. Got switched these handlebars and all, stripped the bolts, and then went to Tweet's house. He got all the strip bolts out. Had one bolt left that was cool, so I air tightened it, stripped, pop. Now all of them is done. But I got new bolts from Home Depot, and I guess the triple clamp thing or whatever is stripped. So now I just gotta wait for it to come in. It's supposed to come Thursday, so it's Tuesday. And let's go. I'm gonna just start it back up when I pull up the things. Dirt bikes have Tried Tuesday. Well, bro, people gotta get their shirts. What did they do? I'm not holding these. Yeah, look at this. The orange. Taped it. Look. Never. Alright, we out.
Oh, you better range. We go to the pedal.
Never.
I will hold it.
I don't know. I told y'all wait that thing. Got it! Bro, why you ain't tell me I could have brought your shirt?
Oh my bad, I should have.
I'm real.
Where's they at?
I don't know. Oh, he got the lands now? No, he ain't got the lands. He ain't got the lands now. Okay. Oh my God. This kid sold me a lemon.
1-800 lemon.
I still got to work like this though. Loose handlebars and all that. Scared of these handlebars though, I ain't gonna lie. Okay, I'm all. Okay, I'm all. Oh, word. I gotta get Bradley a shirt. He's been plugging for it. He on the dance thing? Outside? I try it Tuesday? That's just rolling though. I can't jump off the sidewalk. Okay. Oh my God. Okay, Jay.
Here, Brandon.
He never be showing work. He be land riding. Okay. Okay. Oh, someone hat just went flying. Never. You landed one trick. You landed one trick. All right, let's see you land right now. Oh my God, he's sharp, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Let's go. Let's go. What else? We came to Try Tuesday on the pit bikes and all that. Even though I was late because of this. Unreal. Yeah, I got boats, but somehow they don't work. I don't know. Do not ride on the sidewalk, kids. Just wait in traffic. I'm sick as ever. My handlebars loose though. It's strolling. Oh my God. I need to buckle my helmet. Oh my. Oh, he said high seat work on the fat thing? No hands? No hands? He ain't got the no hands. He's scared. He's scared. Unreal. You got a high seat but scared of no hands? Unreal. Oh, you gotta pedal and do it. Oh my God, you saw that? I think I'm gonna just chill. That joint just went all the way down. This is solid. Okay, Avery. Wow. Woo! Even though he lost last week, but he grinding this week. Oh my. He getting busy on the hoagie. Getting busy on the hoagie, yeah. Keep that wheel up. Don't drop. Oh. Pick it back up, pick it back up. Oh, hoagie work. And that Steffen's color, yeah. Oh, hoagie work. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, oh my God. Trying to bang my mans out on the hoagie? Both of them, unreal. He said right back up though, stop playing with me. That pressure. Oh, oh, okay, damn. Bro, what, you was hungry?
Huh?
You was hungry?
What?
You was hungry?
Oh yeah, hungry as shit.
Oh, alright. Unreal. Okay, Kate. Oh, wow. Okay, Kenny. Big old WTTO. Okay, Jules. Word. That boy be working, no cap. Yeah, Scooter boy. Wow. Oh my God. Wow. And bro, he only got like 1,500 followers. I'm gonna put his Instagram right here, following too. Get his followers up here. He underrated. I think it's like Oneway.Kenny or Oneway, something like that. It just don't be on the screen. But still got it up. Still got it up. Plays a good POV, not gonna lie. I hope. Never. Bro, I didn't even never check to see if I had gas. Oh, I'm tripping. I definitely need gas. Yo! I forgot all about gas. Oh man, I forgot all about gas. Damn. Look at the handlebars.
I'm trying to see the Hellcat.
I gotta stop.
I know that's just
Yeah, I gotta stop. That boy got control. Get busy. Get busy. Oh my God. Oh my God. I don't know, he cutting though. I ain't cutting. Ew, he said it smells good. Ew, what? I gotta go down that hill though. Okay. 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 Oh. Let's see if you land some. Unreal.
better fucking land it.
He be working too. Ah. Unreal. What's going on there, bud? Okay, Ant.
Okay.
Oh! Oh, shoot. That jump across the whole traffic jam. I need some super glue or something. Gorilla glue. Oh, never. Down steps? Oh, I can't go down those steps. They crazy.
You're not ready for this.
My handlebars wasn't messed up, I'll jump all of them. But I can't wait to really ride this one with the bigger bars though. Thursday, hopefully I get a good ride. Look at this, oh my God.
Why are you riding it with the boys like that?
This was my only ad set, I guess you can say. I ain't have my pedal bike, so I said flip it. I was already on this, I changed the handlebars. I stripped all the bolts. So I had to, it was my only way. I was trying to fix it, but it ain't work. So I said flip it, I gotta go.
Pedal bike in. Put a pedal bike in.
Oh my God. I see the work, I see the work.
The wheel, you got fucked up handlebars.
This is bad though.
This is my clutch too.
Oh my God.
You gotta go.
Yes, sir. That boy's smooth. Yes, sir. Ah!
Hey, something else.
Unreal!
Do another one. Yo, get the brake.
There we go.
I didn't know that.
There we go.
Let's go.
He's struggling. He's struggling. Ah, what's up, bro? Throw that drone up. Ah, worm it, Mike. Ah. What else?
Let me see something else. Wow.
Oh.
Do it again. Do it again. Do it again.
You can do it. You can try it. Try it Tuesday.
Wow.
We don't say do it. Try it.
There we go.
No, not
There
do it though,
we
but
go.
try it. What else? Oh, don't get smacked. Oh, deep bold. Remember. Oh! Oh! He's talking about high fives, hit his brake. Ah, Ryo, he said you know.
He said, I got something for you right here. Why?
Okay.
Yo, Justin, let me see your bike.
Yes, sir.
Let me ride that. Let me ride that.
Oh, oh, he's jumping right up. Come on, I'm on. Let's go, I'm on. Wow. Wow. Yes, sir. What else? What else? Oh my God. Oh my God. Unreal, kid. Unreal, I see ya. Oh! Oh, when did he learn that? They said on a pass off. Okay. Ah. Oh my. What happened there, bud? They get looser. You want to ride it? Come on. I didn't gotta be so mad. It's a little.
What'd you say?
I said, you want to ride it? Okay, Zay. Land that sloppy leg. Collective. Make him drop. Big collective. Big collective. Big collective. OWTTO. Oh, you better not drop, Cavalot. You better not. You better not! Oh, yeah! He said, okay, watch him. Yes, sir. Keep it up. Wow. He be snapping low key. Look. Wow. Still got it up. Wow. Wow. Oh my God. Land that. What else? Chen, let's see the work, Chen. Okay, Kyle. Oh. Oh, land that. Yes, sir. What else? Oh, I'm gonna smack the floor. What else? Wow. Wow. Ah. Okay, DTG. Okay.
Oh, God.
Keep it up. What? Yes, sir. What else? Touch? Ooh. Ooh. Yes, sir. That name's so fire, DTG. I ain't gonna lie. Bro, you always screaming that lemon line. No, I can't speak about a lemon or a hoagie. Oh man, here come the cop. Hold on. Let the lady walk past. You okay? You okay?
Thank you.
Love you, doggy. Somebody scared me. They went too far up. I keep forgetting they lose. I did too. Okay. Yeah, Chen. Yeah, Jeff. Oh, land that, Jeff. Land that. Yes, sir. Ah. Hey, we going back to Payne's? I mean, that's cool with me. All right, we about to go get gas at the gas station. Well, me and Stephen is. Everyone else just coming, I guess. But this is really drawing. I'm not gonna lie.
Is that your brake?
That's your hoagie. It's orange, that's why. KT Dookie. Ew, someone's smoking Reggie. This is rolling. Unreal. I'm really mad because I probably really be snapping way more than usually with the neutral. Goat fam, this is the end of this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Go get the merch right now, link in the description. Subscribe to the Uncut channel, link in the description. Go watch the full video, all uncut, because there's a lot that cropped out of this on, but go watch it on the Uncut, you know the vibes. But yes sir, subscribe if you aren't already. Like I said, join the Goat fam. Let's get the 200K ASAP. You heard, but you know the vibes, Goat fam. We out. Hope you enjoyed this video. Huh? You almost had us. Almost. Almost. You almost beat us. Oh, well. You almost beat us. Almost. Yeah, we go back to Payne. Mother Esther is about to battle. Call it the day, because this is bad. I wish I brought my pedal bike. Huh? Okay, G. Okay, G. Okay. Yeah. Okay, Jeffrey. Cut ting. I see you. Cut. I see a combo. Watch him. Wop. Wop. Ah. Oh! Wormo! Oh, they're going at it. They're going at it. Oh! He's like, what the heck? Yeah, Chenny Jen, let's see the work. That tight ass ski mask, you can't breathe. Oh my God. That was funny as fuck though. Have a great day, bro. What the fuck?